If you're looking to improve your core strength, one exercise stands above the rest, the plank. And if you're thinking that a 1-minute plank isn't enough to give you results, think again. Research shows that just 1 minute of planking can lead to significant improvements in core strength. So, what are the benefits of planking every day? For starters, you'll see a major improvement in your posture. In today's world, we spend a lot of time sitting, at our desks, in our cars, or on the couch. This leads to what's called kyphosis, or rounding of the upper back. Over time, this can lead to a hunched posture. But, by strengthening your core with the plank, you can improve your posture and stand taller. In addition to improving your posture, planking every day can also help to alleviate back pain. This is because the plank exercise works to strengthen the muscles in your back, which can help to take the strain off of your spine. If you suffer from chronic back pain, adding the plank to your daily routine can make a big difference. When it comes to at-home workouts, few exercises are as simple and effective as the plank. Planking is an isometric exercise that works your entire body, including your core, arms, legs, and glutes. Plus, all you need to do it is a little floor space. Despite its simplicity, there is a right way and a wrong way to plank. In order to get the most out of this exercise, and avoid injury, it's important to use proper technique. Here is a step-by-step instruction for doing a perfect plank. Start by lying on your stomach with your toes tucked under and your forearms resting on the floor in front of you. Engage your core and raise your body off the ground, balancing on your toes and forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. To make the plank more challenging, you can raise one leg off the ground, or try doing the exercise on your hands, instead of your forearms. With a little practice, you'll be nailing the perfect plank in no time. Finally, planking every day can help you build a strong foundation for other exercises. If you're looking to add strength training or cardio to your workouts, a strong core is essential. So, what are you waiting for? Give the plank a try today. Don't spend your money and time going to crowded gyms. Check out the amazing programs and equipment for home training in the description below. Thank you for watching.